Hi everyone, my name is Shanna, and for today's video, we're gonna know how AI learns through a simple story. This story is called the story of AI learning. First, AI starts with nothing. Think of AI as a newborn baby. It has no experience, no knowledge, just a system waiting to learn. It doesn't know what a dog or a cat is, so we have to teach it from scratch. Next, AI learns from examples. We start showing thousands or sometimes millions of pictures. Each time we tell it, this is a cat, this is a dog. Just like how a child learns by looking at flashcards, AI memorizes features from these images. Then, AI looks for patterns. AI doesn't actually understand like humans do. Instead, it notices patterns. AI breaks images into tiny details, colors, shapes, textures, and start connecting them to the right label. After that, AI makes prediction. Now comes the test. We show AI a new image that it has never seen before. It scans the pictures and says, this looks like a cat. If it gets it right, great! But if it's wrong, we correct it. Finally, AI gets smarter over time. Every mistake helps AI adjust and improve. It fine-tunes itself using techniques like backpropagation. It's a fancy way of saying it fixes itself internally. Um, Over time, AI becomes more accurate, just like a student getting better at solving math problems through practice. And that's how AI learns. No magic, just lots of data, pattern recognition, and practice. What do you think AI should learn next? Let's talk in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, react, share, and post a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you want to learn more about AI, business software, or anything interesting, follow me and see you in the next video. Bye bye!